Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I can. I can. I can.
Okay,
And
excellent.
can you see me now?
Now I can see you. Yes,
Okay,
thank
okay,
you.
okay.
Now,
So, hi, what's the name, brother? Amir, right?
Amir.
Amir. Okay,
Mhm.
Amir. Okay. So, as you said, you are born in British, right? England, I think.
Okay, so I'll just give you background about me.
Okay.
I'm
Yes. Okay.
British born, lived there all my life.
Okay.
Came to Qatar recently to not recently, a few years ago
Okay.
to start
Mumtaz.
work. So
Mumtaz.
I work in the government sector.
Okay.
But I want to start studying and learning Arabic from foundation level to build.
Okay. Yes.
I tried to look at university courses for
Okay.
beginners and these
Mm-hmm.
things,
Mm-hmm.
or college courses, but
Mm-hmm.
because I'm working, it's too difficult to find the time.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Understand.
I'm working 6 days. I'm working from home. It's very difficult. So then I tried to find personal teacher who can teach
Okay.
me.
Great.
Nobody had the time as well.
Great. Great.
Um, so I found you online. I think you messaged me some books or something, and then I
Yes.
started
Yes. Correct.
talking to you.
Correct.
So
Yes. Correct.
I'm going from zero level, and I need to learn everything from the bottom to learn.
Yes.
You know the
Yes.
slang language that the kids are speaking. This is not the proper Arabic. I don't want to learn
Yes.
this.
Yes.
I want to
Yes.
learn
Yes.
the
Yeah.
proper.
Yes. Uh,
So this is
so yes. So I'm here. So what is your objective to learn Arabic? Just to speak or to understand the Quran or Hadith or Arabic literature?
exactly. Eventually, I want to understand all the literature as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Y-
the problem is that I have no basic knowledge. So I
Okay.
need all the basic knowledge first,
Okay.
and then I can build. And then I
Okay.
can go and learn
Great.
the more
Great.
advanced. So I can
Great.
read the
Great.
literature. I can understand.
Great.
I
Great.
can
Okay.
read
Great.
Quran properly.
Great.
I can do all these
Okay.
things.
Great. So suppose if you learn basic from suppose if you start from scratch, so definitely it is benefit. You can speak little Arabic and as well spoken Arabic, right? Same.
I
And
can speak nothing.
okay, okay, okay. No, no problem. Because the people and people are even Arab people also they speak is a dialect. Okay, they speak.
Yeah, I don't want to learn dialect.
Okay, okay. So it is benefit.
I want to learn
Okay,
classic because Ahmed. Your name is Ahmed, right?
Muhammad, yes. Fa Ahmad
Firoz
actually
Ahmed.
actually Fa is Firoz.
Firoz.
Yes, yes, yes. Anyway.
Um, I if I learn how to read the Arabic, then I
Okay.
can learn how to read Quran properly, and then I
Okay,
can
great,
learn
great.
more from there.
Learn or
You know,
understand the Quran, understand Hadith and Sirah. Yes, and of
this is
course,
the objective.
of course,
This is the
definitely.
object. I don't want to learn so that I can just have a conversation in shisha.
Okay,
No, I
yes,
want
yes.
to learn so I can learn
Okay,
Islam properly.
okay,
So I
and you
need to
can,
learn
and
language
yes,
first.
yes, correct, correct. If you know, you start from scratch or is a basic. So later you can speak dialect also, right? You can learn dialect also. Okay, is it
But
good?
that comes after, right? Because first you
Yes,
need to
yes,
learn
yes,
the proper
yes, yes.
Fusha,
Okay,
right?
yes, yes, correct.
So,
Fusa,
but what I'm
fusa.
saying is, I have been doing some reading online,
Okay,
and so I have seen many things in many different places, but nobody has taught me, and so
okay,
my mind is very confused. What is the
okay.
correct Arabic? What is not? Blah blah blah. This is
Okay,
why I need
okay.
one
So
teacher, only one
yeah,
person
so
to teach me.
let me introduce in Arabic. Actually, is a called a MSA Modern Standard Arabic. So Modern Standard Arabic is same. Okay, in all country. Okay, it's no difference. No difference. Okay, in Modern Standard Arabic, is a different only in dialect. Okay, that is local. You can say is a colloquial Arabic. Different only in dialect. Okay, so any written Arabic, any bookish Arabic is no difference. So
Okay, so explain to me, Firoz. You mind if I call you Firoz? Is that okay?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
no, no, no problem, no problem, no problem at
Firoz.
all.
Firoz, what is the difference between modern standard Arabic and what they refer to as classical Arabic? What is the difference between these two?
Suppose you go to classical Arabic and you go to just to understand what is different in classical Arabic and modern standard Arabic. Classical Arabic just refers to is a old ancient language like in Dawra Jahiliya, in age of Jahiliya. Okay, no, is some poetry word, some poetries.
Yes.
In Arab world, there is no literature. Okay, before Besatun Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, that age is called Jahiliya. So Zamana Jahiliya, that Arabic is a poetry. Okay, and poetry Arabic is called classical Arabic. Okay, and modern standard Arabic is which language you use in writing and speaking and okay everything.
Okay, but
Yeah, okay. It's a modern standard
Right.
Arabic. You can say it's a classical Arabic.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So if I
Yes.
learn
So
modern standard, I can read Quran as well.
yes, Quran and literature. Okay. Quran and
Okay.
literature. Okay. Any written document. Okay. In a book or a magazine, a newspaper. Okay. Everything. Okay. So
Okay. Understood. Understood.
yes. So actually, the Arabic. The modern standard Arabic, and you can say classical Arabic, modern standard Arabic is a you can say is a classified in two parts. Okay, first say is a naho. Naho. Naho means
Can I? I'm
oh,
just gonna. Can I write it down? Yeah.
okay, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. I will send the recording. Okay, no problem, no problem. You can write it, no problem. Okay,
It just makes me easy
no,
because
no,
I'm a
yeah.
student.
Yes,
So
yes,
so
yes.
you're saying there's two things. There's Nahu.
Okay, now, okay, so Arabic, okay, so Arabic is uh, classified in two parts, and first say Nahu, Nuhu,
Nahu.
Nahu, Nahu. Nahu, it means in English is a syntax,
Right.
Syntax, syntax, syntax. What is a Nahu? Nahu in Arabic how to compose the Arabic sentence. Nahu, Nahu, it gives
Yep.
knowledge. It gives knowledge how to compose Arabic sentence. Okay, okay.
Understood.
For example, Allah created us. Allah created us. So how to compose in Arabic? Okay. So
Okay.
Allah, yes. So created word can comes before Allah and comes after Allah.
Okay.
Okay. For example, Khalaqa is a word khalaqa, created, khalaqa. Khalaqallahu, or not khalaqa is us. Khalaqa and plus na. Khalaqana Allahu. Khalaqana Allahu. Khalaqana us.
Nahu.
Allah. So
Us.
khalaqana Allah. Yes. So khalaqana Allahu. Allah created us. Okay. So now it means so it's high level. So high level, just understand in now it gives knowledge how to compose the Arabic sentence.
Sentence.
Class?
Right.
Okay. Yes. Now is surf. And second part is called surf. Surf means how to conjugate and how to derive word from the root. Many words, many forms. How to derive many forms of verb and noun from the root. From the root. For example, for example, for example, is what is khalaqa. So take example, khalaqa. Khalaqa. Khalaqa means he created. Tamam? He created. So how to derive he created? Okay. And suppose they created and you created and you all created. Maybe you female created. Maybe you both created. Maybe uh, I created. Maybe uh, singular and plural. Maybe we created. So how to
Right.
derive different forms? Okay. So there are 24. There are 14 forms. 14 forms in Arabic language. 14 forms of every verbs.
14 forms.
14 forms of every verbs. For example, khalaqa, and I example khalaqa. So just I read it. I okay. And and derivation is called uh, in a uh, in a serial wise. It's called it's called conjugation. It's called in Arabic tasrif, conjugation. For example, how to derive from the root. For example, khalaqa. Just I read it. Khalaqa, khalaqa, khalaqu, khalaqat, khalaqata, khalaqna, khalaqta, khalaqtuma, khalaqtum, khalaqti, khalaqtuma, khalaqtunna, khalaqtu, khalaqna. Okay, this call is tasrif or conjugation. Okay, these are 14 forms is conjugation.
Very
Okay,
confusing.
yes. Okay, okay. So any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, this is clear. Okay, so syntax is clear, right? So what is surf? Surf means it gives knowledge how to
The
derive the
word.
word from root.
Okay.
Tamam? From the root. Okay. For example,
Okay.
for example, I have given example khalaka. Okay, khalaka,
Khalaq.
khalaka, khalaku. Okay, later we will learn, no problem. Okay, so we will later we learn. Okay, so khalaka, khalaka, khalaku, and till khalakna we created. Okay, so there are 14 forms how to derive it from the root. So surf gives knowledge how to derive. Okay, and the about surf, for example, uh, uh, in Arabic verbs, in Arabic verbs, there are many channels. There are many channels. Okay, and channels called bab. Okay, so I
Ba.
bab. Okay, bab. For example, khalaka. So khalaka and is a past tense, and yakhluqu is a present tense and future tense. So khalaka yakhluqu, it comes from channel Nasara Yansuru. Okay, no problem. We'll learn later. Okay. I am
I,
giving a high
I
high
am
high
beginner.
level.
I am beginner.
Yes, I'm giving a high level knowledge. Okay. Just intro. Okay, just intro. What is surf? Okay. Okay. No.
Right.
So yes. Don't worry. So it's an intro. What is surf and what is it now? Okay. So for example, we start from the beginning. Today lesson just from scratch. In Nahu lesson. First lesson of Nahu. Okay. First lesson of Nahu, we start from noun. Okay. So just you can say it in your own words. What is Nahu? Is define Nahu. Define Nahu.
Now is syntax. How to construct a sentence.
Correct.
I am walking to the shop. Walking. I am to the shop.
Correct.
Like this. Yeah.
Correct. 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 Mumtaz. Mumtaz. Correct. Okay. Now. So in Arabic, start from the noun, verb, and harf. What's the noun? You know noun in English. Same in English noun. Okay. Define noun.
Noun is something. Yeah. Yeah.
Name something, name. Okay, name of anything, place, name, a proper name, anything, name,
Yeah.
noun.
Window,
Okay,
door. Exactly.
just no problem. Just give me example in Arabic noun, any noun,
I don't know.
any
I
words
don't
noun.
know.
Okay,
Apple.
apple. What is apple? Arabic.
I don't
In
know.
Arabic.
You tell me. You
Okay,
tell me. I don't know.
okay, any word. So Allah is a noun.
Yep.
Allah, Rasul, noun. Okay, yes. uh Proper in country name also, Qatar is a noun. Tamam?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
what's the pen? Start from, okay, pen, pen, kalam,
Pen.
kalam.
Kalam.
Okay, book, book,
Kitab.
book, kitab. Okay, and chair is common word, chair,
What is a chair?
chair, kursi, kursi.
Kursi.
Oh, so I'm here. So Wajri from Pakistan.
Yeah.
Your parent from Pakistan.
Yeah. Parents
So
from Pakistan. Yeah. Yeah.
do you know Urdu? No, little.
Some broken. My when I was young, my parents died many years ago, and they used to talk to us in Punjabi. But my
Definitely.
parents,
Mhm.
my father used to talk to us in English.
Oh, okay. So you
Okay?
you
So I'm
uh,
beginner. I'm telling you,
so
complete
so
beginner.
so
So
so,
just
so frequently you visit Pakistan or no?
no, no, no.
No. Okay. So Urdu is also very sweet language. Okay. And okay, inshallah. One of my friend is from England. He's living Pakistan. He is staying nowadays in Qatar, but now he's moving to England. He is from which place I don't know. And nowadays he's learning Urdu.
Right.
Urdu. Okay. Tamam.
Everybody's learning something.
Yes, learning something. I should learn. Okay, till last breath.
Yes.
Okay,
Agreed.
good.
Agreed.
Good. Okay. Yes. So, is it how to define noun in Arabic? Okay. So, names of place of anything's name. Okay. So, for example, is a Qatar is a country name. Okay. And your name. Okay. Amir, your name, proper name. Okay. And kitab, kalam, kitab. Okay. And kursi, chair. Okay. Now is a what's the verb? Okay. So just define
Doing
verb.
something.
Define
Like
doing
you're doing
something
something.
or okay.
Running,
Yes,
jumping.
okay, doing something on any means any action. Okay, is action. Any action call is a verb. Okay, Mumtaz. Okay, so do you know any Arabic verb?
No.
No. Okay, for example. Okay, for example. So for example is a okay is a famous one. Okay, okay. So we take some words from Quran, from some words from Quran. Okay, so khalaqa, khalaqa, khalaqa. He
Making.
created. Khalaqa.
Creative.
He created. Okay. Yes. Um. And uh, and kharaja, he left. Kharaja, okay, something. So kharaja, he left the house. Kharaja al bayt, okay. So kharaja min al bayt, okay. Kharaja means, okay, he left. Okay. Zahaba, zahaba, okay, he went. Zahaba. Kataba, kataba, he wrote. Okay.
He wrote.
Wrote, okay, wrote, yes, wrote. Kataba, okay. Qara'a, qara'a, he read. Qara'a, he read. Okay, so these are verbs. Okay, what is harf? So define harf. Harf means, okay, you can say auxiliary verbs, auxiliary verbs. Okay, to harf is a bridge. It's a bridge between noun and verb. For example, for example, and
Harf is a bridge between noun and verb.
and verb. Okay, you can say it. Okay, is a bridge between noun and verb. For example, uh, for example, uh, for example, he went to school. He went to school. He went to school. Zahaba, zahaba, he went. Zahaba ila, ila al madrasa. Ila. So here is what is ila means to. It's called harf.
So ila is the harf.
Harf. Ila is harf. Okay. So zahaba ila al madrasa. He went to school. And he went to school. Here is to me. Here is to is harf. Here is to is harf. Zahaba ila al madrasa. Okay. So ila is to. Okay. Now is uh, khalaqa, khalaqa Allahu, khalaqa Allahu al insa wal jinna. Khalaqa Allahu al insa wal jinna. Allah created the mankind and jinn. And
Okay.
so here is and word, and is harf. And
And is a harf.
and is harf.
Which what was the word for and?
Wa.
Wa.
Wa. Okay. Khalaqallahu al insa wal jinna. Wa al jinna. Okay. Wa al jinna. Okay. So khalaqallahu insa. Khalaqallahu insa. Okay. Wal jinna wal in Arabic is wal janna also jinn janna. Okay. Surah Rahman janna. Okay. So here's verb. Here's a harf is wa. Okay. This is clear. What is noun? What is verb? And what is harf? Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now is a what is a symbol of noun? Here is discussing how to know which word is noun. What is symbol? What is symbol of noun? So symbol of noun in Arabic words you can find in beginning alif lam. Suppose you find in beginning of any words alif lam al, that means that word is noun. For example, for example, for example, al kitabu, al kitabu. So kitab and
Yep.
kitab and prefix al kitab. Okay, al kitab. So if you find any beginning of any words al, that means this word is noun, confirmed.
Al kursi.
Al kursi. Great. Okay.
But
Al
what does al mean though? What does al?
al
Does al have a
al
meaning?
yes, al is the article the the, okay, the, yes,
The.
the, okay. So al kitab, al qalam, al quran, okay, al kursi. So in beginning of any word you find word is al, that means this word is noun, confirm. Okay. and and second symbol, and second symbol means if you find if you find in if you find upon last letter of any noun, if you find if you find double dhamma, if you find double dhamma, okay, like right? Kitabun, sound, it's called nonation. Double dhamma sound called nonation. For example, kitabun, say Kala mun. Kala
Un.
kalamun. Other example. Kursi, make narration sound. Make narration sound.
Kurs,
Kursiyun. Mumtaz?
Kursiyun.
Kursiyun. Kalamun. Kitabun. Kursiyun. Other example. Other example. Okay. Is office. Is office called maktab. Maktabun. Mak maktabun. Maktabun. Mumtaz. Other example. Any example. Okay. Okay. Kitabun. Okay. For
What
example,
does
is
that mean though? What, okay, Feroz, what does that
yes, yes,
mean?
yes, yes. Yeah, I am now here we are discussing what is a symbol of noun. So first symbol, if you find al in beginning of
At
any
the
word,
start,
okay,
it's
start,
just
it
noun.
means okay. Now it's mean is noun. For example,
Noun.
al. Class. Now second symbol. If you find double dhamma, it means sound is un.
Dhamma is,
Double dhamma. Dhamma is just I write. Okay, I write. No problem. Just I share the screen.
I'm
Okay.
beginner, complete beginner. You're
Yes,
saying
yes, yes,
Dhamma
yes.
like I
Okay.
understand.
Yes, great. So no problem. I hear I'm just okay. It's called Dhamma. It's called Dhamma. Sorry.
Right.
Is Dhamma?
So two of these,
Is a Dhamma? It's Dhamma. But is a reverse Dhamma also is called double Dhamma. See,
reverse Dhamma is double Dhamma.
see here is it not is a Dhamma? Is a Dhamma sound and Dhamma sound is u. Sound
Hmm.
is u. Tamam? U. Like kitabu. Okay? Kalamu mu. So u sound is Dhamma. Okay? But is a double Dhamma. How to write double Dhamma? One is one Dhamma is reverse. It's a double Dhamma. Double Dhamma sound is un. Sound is
Un.
un. And un sound means what okay, and this sound is called nanation. This sound is called nanation. Un sound. Un. Un. Okay. Now, so double dhamma u and double dhamma sign sound is un and now is fatha. Okay. So this is dhamma and now above the letter uh, this this symbol is called fatha. Fatha. So Fatha. Fatha. Fatha and sound is
Ah.
okay. Here is dhamma, sound is u, and double dhamma sound narration is un, and fatha sound is and double fatha, double fatha sound is an. Is a narration.
Un.
Okay. So narration of dhamma un and narration of fatha an. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now is third, and third is above letter one symbol cross line is called kasra. Okay, is called kasra. So Kasra, kasra. Kasra
Kasra is above or below the letter?
below the letter. Okay, below the letter kasra. Is sound is sound is e, just e. Okay, e.
E.
So kasra e. Okay, so kasra e, and now is double kasra is called narration of kasra. So narration of kasra sound is
In.
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 Mumtaz. Okay, so now is dhamma sound u, and narration of dhamma un. Okay,
Un.
and fatha sound is and narration of fatha an. Mumtaz.
And.
Okay, now kasra kasra sound is e. Okay, e, and narration of kasra in. Okay,
In.
inshallah, clear. Okay,
Yeah.
so here is I'm asking, here is I am telling here, he if you find double dhamma, if you find double dhamma or double kasra or double fatha in last letter of the word, it means it's a symbol of, it means it's noun. So if you find narration of fatha or
Yeah.
kasra or dhamma in last letter or upon last letter of the word, that means that this word is also noun. It is second symbol of noun. Tamam?
Now.
Mumtaz. Okay. So first symbol of noun is al. Okay. And second symbol of noun in on last letter is un
Narration.
or an or in. Tamam? Okay. So
Un,
it
an, in.
an in. Okay. It's a main symbol of noun. So how to recognize? So how to recognize Arabic nouns. How to recognize Arabic nouns. Okay. So if you find al in beginning, that means this is noun. And if you find on last letter dhamma, narration of fataha and dhamma and kasra, that means it's also noun. It's a major. Tamam? Now, so okay. So I'm writing here, for example, just for test. Okay. I'm writing here. Okay. Yes. Yes. Dear Amir, find here noun.
Noun is at the start.
Okay, okay. Start is a Al Kitab, Mumtaz. Mhm.
Yes. And in this second word at the end.
Okay, yes, Kalamun. Okay,
Yes.
and this is
Uh,
not noun. This is not noun.
no. And that's it.
No, no. Okay, yes, yes. So Amir, and could you read Arabic?
No. Very like, see, on YouTube, I was learning alphabet.
Okay.
I watched so many videos just learning alphabet on YouTube.
Okay, okay. So Amir,
Because this is
so
how I am
no, so
before I
Amir,
found a
sorry,
teacher. This is how I'm trying to
Amir,
learn on YouTube.
Amir, yes, Amir, absolutely sorry. Okay, so just we should start from the alphabet, right? From
I told you I'm beginner.
yes, yes. No, no. Actually, I assume you can read, right? Okay, so we should start. Okay, we should start from the how to write and how to read, right? How to write and how to read. Okay, so yes, no problem. So yes, so we should start from the scratch and how to write. Okay, so so we uh, we will learn from the scratch how to read. Okay, so our lesson is how to read. Okay, so how to read Arabic. Okay, from this how to read. Okay, so how to read Arabic, and first lesson our is how to read and how to write. Okay, first. Okay, so just I check, I write is a okay. So our first lesson we are starting from the how to read and how to write. Okay, so just check first is a alphabet. Okay, alphabet. So ha. Okay, okay, tamam. Okay, so Amir, just I read it, and after me you repeat. Okay, alif,
Alif,
ba,
ba,
ta,
ta,
sa,
sa,
jim,
jim,
ha, ha
ha,
from throat, ha,
ha,
ha. Okay,
ha,
ha from throat, ha.
kha,
Aywa.
kha,
Dal,
dal,
zal,
zal,
ra,
Ra,
za,
Za,
sin,
Sin,
shin,
Shin,
sod,
Sod,
dod,
Dod,
ta,
Ta.
za.
What's the difference? Hang
Okay.
on, sorry. What's the between
Yes. What
Ta
this is?
and Ta?
This is ta.
Alif, Ba,
Okay.
Ta,
Yes.
and
Actually, just a little different. This is ta is a light. It's a light, and this is a thick. Ta. Ta. Okay. Ta. Ta. Light.
Ta,
Ta. Ta.
Ta,
Ta.
Ta,
Ta. Okay. Za.
Ta,
Za.
Za,
Ain.
Za,
Ain.
Ain, Ain,
Ghain.
Ghain,
Okay. Fa.
Fa,
Qaf.
Kaf,
Kaf.
Kaf,
Lam.
Lam,
Mim.
Mim,
Noon.
Noon,
Waw.
Waw,
Ha.
Ha,
Hamza.
Hamza,
Ya.
Ya.
Okay, Amir, is concrete. Okay, sound is perfect. Okay, sound is perfect. Mumtaz. Okay, now you
Okay,
read.
Firoz,
Mm,
on just one question.
okay.
On
Tada.
I was learning on YouTube just the alphabet.
Okay.
I was looking.
Yes.
I just want to ask you, some alphabet they have Hamza, some alphabet they don't have Hamza.
Okay.
Why is this?
Yes. 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 Uh, because Amir is Hamza. Hamza. Actually, Hamza is a consonant. Actually, here this word is Alif. Actually, Alif is not letter. Alif is not a letter. Alif is a long vowel sound. Vowel. Actually, alif is long. Alif is not consonant. Actually, consonant is Hamza. Okay, but
Hamza.
in our country, especially is in India, Pakistan, in subcontinent, they write Arabic. Okay, from they start from alif. Actually, alif is not a letter. Actually, alif
Okay.
is a sound, long vowel. Ah, that's it. Okay,
Okay.
and Hamza actually is a letter, consonant. Actually, Hamza is consonant, and Hamza sound is all three sounds: a, e, u, a, e,
E U.
u. But alif is no e, no u, no u, only a,
Ah.
only
Ah.
a. That's I'm saying Hamza is actually consonant, means sound is a and e and u is accept any vowel sound. Okay, but alif doesn't accept any sound. Okay, only is long vowel. Okay, okay, yes, got it. It's clear.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, because
Okay.
in India and Pakistan in subcontinent they write from alif. Okay, maybe some is reason behind it. Okay,
Okay.
so yes, so now is now read yourself, Amir. Read yourself.
Alif,
Mhm.
Ba,
Aywa,
Ta,
aywa,
Sa,
aywa,
Jim,
aywa.
Ha,
Mumtaz.
Kha,
Aywa,
Dal,
aywa,
Dal,
aywa,
Ra,
aywa,
Za,
aywa,
Sin,
aywa.
Shin,
Mhm.
Sod,
Aywa,
Dad,
aywa,
Ta,
aywa,
and Za,
aywa,
um, Ain,
aywa,
Ghain,
aywa.
um, Qaf,
This
Fa,
letter. Mhm, mhm.
Fa,
Fa. Aywa,
Qaf,
aywa,
Kaf,
aywa,
Lam,
aywa,
Mim,
aywa,
Nun,
aywa,
Wow,
aywa,
Wa, Wa,
aywa.
or Wow,
Wow, wow, wow. Aywa.
Wow, Wow,
Mhm,
Ha,
mhm,
Hamza, Ya.
mhm. Mumtaz. Okay. Hamza. Mumtaz. Okay. Now, now, so every letter has a three sound. Okay. So is the next letter. Here is a, for example, is a, now we are going to learn vowel sound. Okay. So it's a short vowel. Okay. So short vowel. Okay. So short vowels is in Arabic is short vowel, and this is called Fatha, F-A-T. Okay, it's called Fatha, Fatha. Okay, so I have taught you before. Fatha and sound is A. Okay, and now
Ah,
is a Kasra. Okay, Kasra, 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 and sound is E. Okay,
E,
E.
E.
Okay, and now is a third short vowel is U. Okay, it's called Dhamma, D-A. MMA, Dhamma, and sound is U. Okay, so Fatha, A, E, U. A, E, U. Now assume Fatha on every letter. Now read it. A, Ba, like this.
A, A, Ba, Ta, Sa, Ja, Ha,
Aywa.
Ha,
Yes, perfect.
Da,
Perfect.
Za, Ra,
Perfect. Perfect.
Za,
Perfect.
Sa, Sha,
Perfect. Perfect.
Sa, Da,
Perfect. Perfect.
Ta, Za,
Aywa. Aywa.
A,
Mhm.
Ra,
Aywa.
Fa,
Aywa.
Ka,
Aywa.
La,
Aywa.
Ma,
Yeah.
Na,
Perfect.
Ha,
Aywa.
Wa,
Mhm.
Hamza. How is Hamza? Ha,
Ah. Ah.
A,
Ah.
A,
Ah.
A, and Ya.
Yeah. Mumtaz. Mumtaz. Okay. Now assume kasra. E.
E, B, T, C, G, H, H, D, Z, R, Z, Z, Z,
Okay. Aywa.
C,
Mhm.
C,
Aywa.
She,
Mhm.
C, D, T, Z, R, R, Fi, Ti, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, Hi, We, E, and
E.
Yi.
Yes. It's a consonant. Yes. It's a consonant. Yes. E and E. Okay. Perfect. Now assume Dhamma.
Dhamma, Dhamma,
U.
U,
U.
U, U,
Bu.
Bu,
Aywa.
Fu, Yu, Hu, Hu, Du, Zu, Ru, Ru,
Aywa.
Zu, Su, Shu, Su, Du, U, Zu, U. How do you say I'm? U, U,
Ah. U. U.
U,
From throat.
Ru,
Try to. U.
Ru, Fu, U, Ku, Lu, Mu, Nu, Hu, Wu, U, and
U.
You.
U. U. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Okay. It is short
Now,
vowel. Okay. So, yes. Okay. So it's a
Firoz,
short vowel. A. E.
explain to
U.
me one thing. In pronunciation, there is always difficulty in making difference between seen and sod. You see, how can I pronounce this properly?
Okay. Actually, if you pronounce sword, so around the tongue, sword, around the tongue, sword, sword.
Saw,
Okay.
saw,
Yes. Yes.
sod. Is that correct?
Sword.
Sod.
Correct. Correct. Sword and she sound, and this is see, seen and sheen. The seen is a you can say is a you can say whistling sound. Whistling sound. Okay.
Seen.
Uh, C. C.
See.
Okay. C. And no, first scene is a hissing sound. Scene. But
Seen.
second sheen is a
Seen.
whistling sound. Sheen. So
Sheen.
first is hissing sound. Scene.
Seen.
Sa si su.
Seen.
Is the hissing sa si su sa si
Is.
su. But whistling sound sha she shu.
She.
Yes.
Shoe.
Okay. Sa
And what about the sod? Su. Is that a whistling
So
sound?
no, not missing sound. Is a some is a round the tongue. Okay, little round, round. Saw, see,
So,
su.
so,
A little hard is a little
so,
different. Just try yes. No, is
so,
it saw?
si, su,
Yes, yes, yes. Perfect,
so,
perfect,
si,
perfect.
su.
Perfect, perfect. Okay. Yes, it is short vowel. Amir, a, e, u. Okay. It's a short vowel and now is a long vowel. Okay, so long vowel is a three long vowels in Arabic and three long vowels. Okay, the short vowel and three long vowel in Arabic. Okay, so long vowel. So long vowel is the first is a is alif. I said before, right? Ki alif is long vowel. Okay, so alif is a long
Ah,
vowel and second long vowel is wow and third is ya. Okay, so what is sound of long vowel? Alif is sound is you can say double a. Ah. It's double A. Okay. Now is a wow long vowel sound is double O. Ooh. oo. Okay, and now ya is long vowel, sound is double e, e. Okay, e, a, oo, e. For example, suppose here is hamza, and after hamza is alif, and sound is now is ba, and ba, after ba is alif. Okay, after ba is alif, so ba, ba, ba. Now is ta, and ta, plus alif, sound is ta, ta. Now assume, okay, yes, Amir, assume after every letter, assume alif. Okay, ba. Now read it.
Hang on. Okay. Ba, ta, sa, ja, ha, kha, da, za, ra, za, sa, sha,
Perfect.
sa,
Mm,
da,
perfect.
ta, za, a, ra, fa, ka, ka, la, ma, na, ha, wa, a, and ya.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Now assume oo sound. Okay, oo, boo, do. Yes.
U, bu, tu, su, you, who, who, du, zu, ru, zu, su, shu, su, du, tu, du, u, r, u, fu, u, ku, lu, mu, nu, hu, wu, u, you.
Perfect. Perfect. You.
How when it's written,
Yes.
when
Yes.
it's written, is it just
Okay.
going to be written with the
Uh,
alif, or is there going to be fatha on top?
okay. Yes. Yes. Uh, okay. So how to return? So how to return? And
How do you my question is, how do you write the long vowel?
okay. Okay. So long vowel is not visible in word. Okay, it's not visible. Only sometime is a long vowel wow, is a u sound, is not visible. Okay, and ya is long vowel e, is not visible, but it's visible in Quran. Visible in Quran, you can say sometime, alif, and before alif you can say, you can find this sound, this symbol. Okay, this symbol, is called madda. It is visible in Quran, and somewhere in literature, somewhere, maybe somewhere. Okay, you can find it. So if you find this symbol is called madda, is a long vowel ah. Okay, but in Quran you can find anywhere ah. Okay, now is wow, sometime is visible like this, is a reverse dhamma, one dhamma, is a reverse one dhamma. For example, for example la, and is a long vowel like this, lahu, lahu, lahu. So long vowel wow, long vowel is visible as symbol of reverse dhamma. Okay, but in Quran, but in literature, I think it's not everywhere, but you can find it sometime. And long vowel ya is visible, you can say, is a sometime you can say is a uh, above the letter, below the letter is a one standing alif, like this sometime in Quran. For example, in Quran, be, be he, be he, be he, B. Okay, so Amir, your concern is ki how to find the long vowel. Okay, so just as I'm saying, ki, in literature, in Arabic literature, Arabic literature, you can say is a in newspaper. Okay, in newspaper, in any book, in school books. Okay, literal book. Okay, any books and any newspaper, magazine, you can't find the symbol. Okay, mostly.
You can't.
Okay, but in Quran, you can find anywhere. But
Okay.
but how to recognize how to make a long vowel. Okay, so it is very simple. It's very simple, Amir. It's very simple. Just if you find alif anywhere, so just make it long vowel. Simple. For example, I'm writing here one word. Okay, one word. Okay, for example, here is word. Okay, just tell me where is alif
It's there
after after
after
after
after calf.
after kaf. So that just you found it alif. That means you make it long vowel. Okay, simple.
Right.
Say burtaqal, burtaqal, qal. Burtaqal means orange. Burtaqal. Alright. Now, if you find wow, if you find wow in middle or in final, not in beginning. I'm saying if you find wow in middle of the letter or final of the letter, that means it is long vowel, not in beginning. For example, seen, wow. Okay, where is long vowel wow? After
Okay, so now you're saying the middle is there, so that is su.
suk. Okay, suk.
Su.
So what I'm saying, if you find wow in middle of the word or in final of the word, that means that is long vowel wow.
Okay, Firoz,
Yes,
tell me.
yes.
The dhamma is the u sound, but on
Okay.
this su there is no dhamma. Is it still su?
Yes, yes, okay, yes. Good question. Amir is a good question. Good question. Yes. So I am saying if you find wow, if you find wow in middle of the word and in final of the word, that means before wow is dhamma. Confirm.
Dhamma. Okay,
Confirm. Okay, it's a rule.
right,
It's a rule.
right.
Okay, if you find wow in middle and final, that means before wow is exist. Okay, is no doubt. Okay, so hold on. And for example, okay, is a middle, or you can say that I'm giving example. If it is in the final, for example, final. Okay, for example, final. mm, Uh, uh, Suppose what is a ku, uh, is a word in Quranic Arabic is ku. Ku is a final. Ku
Ku nu,
nu is a vowel. Is a vowel. Kunu.
long vowel. Ku nu.
Long vowel. Kunu. Okay. So what did I say? If you find wow in
In the
beginning of
middle or the end, it's long vowel. It's
long
u.
class. Okay. Now yeah, same example for yeah. Okay. If you find yeah in middle of the word and the final of the word, that means yeah is long vowel. For example is a for example middle, and I'm writing here one word is a okay. So ja is a meme. Okay, and yeah. Okay, and where is yeah after
There after the meme.
after
So
meme?
jamil,
uh, yes, so it is far. Okay, so yeah, here is long vowel. Jamil, long vowel.
mil,
Jamil,
jamil.
Jamil.
If there's no ya, then it's jamal.
Maybe Jamil. Maybe
Maybe
Jamal. Yes,
if there's
maybe
alif
Jamal.
jamal.
Jamal. Okay,
Maybe if
Jamal.
there's alif jamal. Okay,
Jamal.
but the
Yeah.
point is
Yes,
if
yes.
there's a
Is it long
ya
vowel? Ali?
anywhere, it's
Anywhere.
a e.
E. Okay.
There is a
So
ya in the middle or the end. It's
oh,
e.
yes. Now I'm giving is a final example. Okay, yeah is final. Yeah is final. If suppose yeah is final. Okay, is a mal. Is a mal word is any your mal is a finance. Mal is mal. Okay, uh, and ma and now is yeah is a final.
Me. Is that still me?
Mhm. Okay,
That's ma.
so it is already defined. Okay, same rules. Okay, Amir, if you find alif, that means ki before alif is fatha is confirmed.
Confirmed. Okay, so
Yes.
ma.
Okay. So here is a put fatha or not. No issue. That alif is there. That means before alif is the fatha is there. Okay,
Mean
confirm.
is ah.
Yes. Yeah. So ma, and now read it. Ma
Ma e.
is a lam. Is a
Ma.
lam. Is a lam. Is a lam. Is a lam. Lam.
Mali.
Mali. E sound.
Mali.
Mali. And
Mali.
here
Mali.
Okay. Okay. And one more is dialect. Is ma and Amir after ya and before ya before ya under lam is no sound, is a no vowel sign, right? No vowel sign.
No.
So it is defined. Why? What vowel sign should be?
E.
Vowel sign, name
Uh,
and under lam. What symbol of vowel should be?
Kasra.
Kasra is defined because because before ya always kasra should be. Okay. So
So if
yeah,
there's ya in the middle, it's automatically going to be kasra
automatic,
sound. E.
automatically. Okay. But so yes. So but Amir, one more. Uh, if you find, so just I said, if you find alif, wow, ya in middle of the word or in final of the word, that means these are vowel. Tamam? Okay?
Long vowels.
Okay,
Yes.
long vowel. But if you find alif, wow, ya in beginning of the word, that means this is not vowel. Tamam? It is
Okay.
consonant. For example, I'm writing here. For example, suppose here is a name is a for example is a name. Okay, so that means this alif is long vowel or not?
It's at the beginning, so it's a long
It's not
vowel. Yeah.
long vowel. It's not long vowel.
Ah,
It is not long vowel. So that means if you put fatha or kasra or dhamma, or you don't put, that means is maybe possible is a and e and u. His name is
okay.
Aslam. His name is Aslam. Maybe fatha a, maybe kasra e, maybe dhamma u. But it is not long vowel. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
Okay. Now, if you find wow in beginning, for example, for example, uh, for example, is a word is a fuel, and fuel is petrol, fuel. So fuel is here. What is wow? Wow is not one long vowel. Okay, tamam. Wow is not long vowel. What
So
is
how do you pronounce that? If there's a wow in front of fuel, what do you pronounce?
maybe okay, we will learn later ki how to just recognize ki what is correct word. Okay, so yes, so it is confirmed, Amir, ki maybe u or maybe wa or maybe v. Okay, three. Okay, maybe from three, right? So just you try ki actually it is instinctively. Okay, it is instinctively you can read it correct. Okay, just try, but maybe from three, maybe wa, maybe v, maybe vu. That's it.
Sorry, I
Okay.
don't understand. So
No,
what
no,
is
no,
this word here?
no. I'm saying ki if you find this word in Arabic magazine or in Arabic newspaper or anywhere is written in Arabic, okay,
Yeah.
and there is no sign. There is no sign.
No sign.
Okay, I'm writing here. I'm writing here. No sign. Okay, without sign.
Yeah.
No sign. You find it no sign. Okay. So no sign. So here is wow. Okay. So wow is long vowel, right?
Yes.
Okay, so before wow is defined, right? Before
Yes.
wow, dhamma defined.
Who?
Clear? Defined.
Yeah.
But
Who?
is wow is not long vowel, wow is consonant, but this sound is not defined. Okay, because there is no sign. There is
Yeah.
no, there is no fatha, there is no kasra, there is no dhamma. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, but it is confirmed, but it is confirmed, it is, it is from the three sound of the vowel. Maybe what are three sound?
Wa, we, woo.
Okay, no, no, okay. So now try. Now you try. What is correct? Now is instinctively. Okay, try. Read it.
Wa,
Read it full word. Read it. Read it.
wukud.
Ukud. Okay, you said ukud. I don't know. Ki I don't know. I don't know. How did you read it? Ukud.
I read it wukud.
Huh?
I just read the wa, woo, and then ku, and then da, du.
Correct.
Wukud.
Correct. See, you said you read correct. Ukud. Okay. Suppose, but you can say ki how did you find this is ukud, not wakud?
Wukud. Because
Any
at the petrol station.
but okay, that means you heard sometime, you
Yeah.
heard, you read, you heard, you listened, right? the
Yeah.
the first letter sound is defined after listening, hearing, reading. Okay, so
Okay.
so as much as you learn the letter, you listen the word. Okay, you will you will read correct. Okay, but but
Right.
but for beginners, but for beginners, but for beginners, if you read this word wakud, so meaning never change. Amir, meaning never change, no problem, no problem. If you read word wakud, okay, meaning never change, so no problem, don't worry for a
Okay.
beginner. But as much as you read and listen and you read recall, okay, so you will be familiar, you will be familiar instinctively how to read correct, what is the correct spelling and what is the correct sound. Clear, Amir?
So
Okay,
far, so
so
far.
here, okay, yes, so far no problem. Okay, so Amir, so here we alphabet and how to read with vowel sign, short vowel and long vowel. Okay, so short vowel and long vowel. So yes, so far is clear, no problem. We will learn later, inshallah, everything will be clear. Okay, so Amir, how to check your writing actually? So you write here or you write in a book and show and send me? For example,
When do you
for
want me?
example,
When do
for
you want me?
example,
What do you want me to do?
for example, I want to write long vowel. Suppose here is Hamza. First, what is Hamza? Hamza, write alif and ba. Okay. For example, ba plus alif. Now write is how to join ba. Okay. No need. Okay. Now is one more lesson. One more lesson is Amir, how to join the letter, how to join the letter. Okay, so so in I think today's time is up. Inshallah, in next class we will learn how to join the letter. Okay, so first we will learn joining shape. Okay, just I'm giving example what is in next lesson. For example, here is what is ba. Okay, here is what is ba. So ba, every letter has three shape. For example, ba is a beginning shape like this, and ba is middle shape like this, and ba is final shape like this. Amir, so we will learn inshallah in next lesson joining shape and how to join Arabic letter to make a word. For example, Amir. Okay, your name I think with Ain, Amir, Ain with Ain, your name.
I think so. I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'm.
because because this name Amir is a not is a good meaning. Amir, is Amir means you can say now dictator. Okay, is a dictator means Amir, huh? But the hukm dene wala Amir is a dictator. But here is a your name is Amir. Amir. So you can say Amir word. You can say is Amir is civilized. Okay, civilized Amir. So, but maybe your name is Amir. Okay, how to example? Suppose you write Amir separate. Okay, Ain Alif, Ain Alif, Mim Ra, and how to join? on how to join. Okay, so how to join, okay, to make a word Amir. Okay, so we will learn this lesson. So Ain is a Ain shape, is a beginning shape, is a Alif is middle shape, and now is a Mim is beginning shape, and now is a Ra is a beginning shape. Now join together Amir. Okay, for example. Okay, so what is the next lesson, inshallah? So we will learn joining shape. Okay, joining shape to joining shape to joining shape to make a word. Okay, Amir is clear.
Okay.
Join. Inshallah,
Yeah.
we will learn in next class how to join Arabic letter to make a word. Okay. Yes, Amir.
When
So yes.
I was just going to ask, how do we want to? When do you want to do the next lesson? I mean, how many lessons
Okay,
will I
Amir.
need?
There are 3 lessons in a week.
Okay.
Okay, so
So
just you fix your time. Okay, just text me. Okay, what time you are available or convenient for you. Okay, we have lesson.
so I think personally, if we can do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, this is good.
Good, good. Okay, Monday, Friday, and
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay, what time?
So I will send you message
No,
for
no problem.
Monday.
No.
When are you available? When are you available?
So Amir, I am full time. No problem. I am full time.
You're full.
Okay, just
Okay.
give me your time. So just I will send you my schedule. Okay, I think it's okay. Just give me your time, your favorite time. Okay, so no problem.
Okay.
I will manage, Amir. Okay, so
Okay.
Amir, I hope
Excellent.
I hope you might have enjoyed my lesson today. Okay, Amir.
Yeah, I mean it's a little bit difficult on Zoom because if we are face to face in the room, I can do on writing and you can explain. But it's okay. I will watch some YouTube videos and then on Monday we will carry on and you can help me with this writing
Yes,
and
yes,
then
yes.
we will
Correct,
learn.
correct, correct. Just share your screen and you write. Okay, I will see. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, from yes.
Excellent.
Okay, okay,
Thank
okay. Bye,
thank you,
bye.
Firoz. Thank you
Have
very
a nice
much.
day. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.